Okay, the last point that we really want to hit home on this whole idea of recovery post race is the idea of now getting some repair time in for your muscles. So your muscles took a beating over the course of this long race. So you want to think about things that you can do to start to bring the inflammation of the muscles down and set them up for repairing. One of the best things I can suggest is that you actually get some rest, okay? If you need to take a little nap later in the day, making sure you get some good sleep over the next few days is going to go a long way for muscle recovery. That's actually when we do most of our building of our strength, and our recovery is done during sleep. So see if you can't plan out some naps, and also making sure that you get your 7 to 8 hours of sleep following this type of a race. The other thing we want to think about is you do need to move. This isn't just go home, get in bed, don't get out. This is about moving these muscles through range of motion over the next several days. So you want to think of this recovery time as an active recovery, and you want to do some light exercise and light movement, but nothing that's going to stress or strain the body. Another suggestion, and a lot of folks like to do this, is an ice bath. An ice bath can be for about 15 to 20 minutes. The water needs to be fairly cold, and you're just going to kind of soak in it, okay? This might make you feel a little stiff. It will be obviously very invigorating. You might feel a little bit stiff afterwards. So while it's good to get some gentle stretching in, and also maybe working with some of your mobility tools like your massage stick and your foam roller and your lacrosse balls, it's very important that at this point, after this long of a run, that you are very gentle with yourself. Your muscles put out a lot for you. They're actually in a mild state of inflammation, and they need some repair time. So go gentle with these stretches, go gentle with the massage tools, okay? Some key areas to hit are going to be your calf. You want to kind of get into your calf gently. You can go fairly rapidly with this. It doesn't have to be hard, so I don't need a lot of pressure in it. I just want to get some good circulation and some mobility through the layers of the muscle. Calves are going to be very important to hit. Quad's going to be very important to hit, especially maybe the outside part of your quad. That tends to take a little bit more of the beating. You can hit your hamstrings by just bending your knee and get the hamstrings kind of loosened up. Going to be super important that you hit the lateral part of your hip. Now, I'm not a big fan of using the mobility tools on the IT band. It's a tight band, okay? What we want to hit is the muscle up here, the tensor fasciae lata muscle, and loosen it up. So you can hit this with your massage stick, and then from there maybe go right into your glutes. Okay, so I want to show you a couple things that you can do that are kind of restorative and repair oriented with a foam roller. I really like this one for giving your body a break after a long run, is to come home, get on your long foam roller, and let it go right down the middle of your spine, and just kind of lie here, let your shoulder blades drop back. Take several deep breaths here, just seeing if you can let go of a lot of the tension from your legs and from your trunk from the run. And you might do a few where you push your shoulder blades up, loosen up those shoulder blades. A lot of time our upper body gets really tight during a long run. Reaching back up over our head, stretching, getting some nice elongation through your trunk and your upper body. And then from this position, maybe dropping into what I kind of call the W position. You're making a W with your arms. This will give you a nice chest stretch. Again, lots of deep breathing with this. This is really just meant to be more restorative and relaxing for your muscles. One last little piece or tip would be to actually lie on the floor and put your legs up on the wall. What this is going to do for you, you can lie like this for maybe 3 to 5 minutes, is it's going to allow some support for your venous system to bring some of the blood out of your legs that has gathered there over the course of this long run. So just lying like this for about 3 to 5 minutes just to help out that venous system to transport the blood. Okay, you might want to consider, if you're going to lie in this position, that you stay warm. You don't want your temperature dropping, etc. Remember, this is supposed to be gentle. It's all part of your recovery phase. You've worked really hard to get to this point, and now it's time to rest and recover and take care of your body for that next big adventure.